I am in shorts here. I'm looking for a move to this PT1, this wick that tapped this for value gap here. It's about close to 100 points, it's 80 points, and I'm going to have my stop loss decently wide here just to give it room. These are just runners, and I want to look to add into 8 micros. Okay, 3 micros is there, and I am looking to move my stop loss down to make sure I'm not risking too much on this move here. Probably no reason to tap that liquidity again, to be honest. Nice, PT1 hit. Probably move my runner stop loss down a little bit more. Nice, perfect. So only one runner left now, and based on the trajectory here, I mean, it's definitely possible to get hit. I might even move it to give it some more room if it wants to really run today. Alright, there we go. It's close enough to 3R. I mean, I like it when it's displacing like that. I like to take on displacements even if it is going to continue on. I'm very happy with my profits. So I'll do a trade recap now. Most important thing here is we had this SMT that was really nice with the S. And then we had this first change in the state here. And then secondary change in the state, both were 40 points. This was close to 40 points, but it was basically 40. And then we had this secondary change here. And then I took a little after we broke this candle low, and I put my stop loss at 59 points just so that I had some extra room. Only entered light size 5 micros and then entered 3 more to make it 8 micros on the way back down to break even.